What is this? It's funny, huh? It's funny.
It's lunchtime and I really wanted some Wingstop, so I ordered Wingstop through Grubhub.
It's funny.
Did
Bag secured, huh?
Bag secure. Even came with a handsome husband who
What is
provided
this?
for my lunch.
No. How much you spend?
Can I have my food?
My food.
Oh, this is heavy. What I ordered? We got the hot honey chicken tender. After having a baby being sick with the fever for 2 days, this is well deserved.
What was yesterday? Tacos cake. You forgot about that?
That was day 1.
Spend another 20
This is day 2. Take a bite. You deserve it.
I'm gonna fry.